How to share a web page link from Google Chrome on your iPhone. First, open the Google Chrome app on your iPhone and visit the web page you want to share. In this example, I'm on the France versus Spain highlights page on FIFA's official website. Once the page has fully loaded, tap the Share icon located to the right of the web page title. A share sheet will appear with different apps and sharing options. You can choose an app like Messages, Mail, Instagram, WhatsApp, or any other supported app. For this example, I'll select WhatsApp. Next, choose the contact or group you want to send the link to. You'll see the web page link automatically appear in the message box. If you'd like, you can also type a message along with the link. Finally, tap Send, and the web page link will be shared instantly with your selected contact. And that's it. That's how you can quickly share any web page link from Google Chrome on your iPhone, whether it's the France versus Spain highlights, a news article, or any other website. You can share it in just a few taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.